Hi traders, welcome to my ఛానల్ కోరా ట్రేడ్. సో ఈరోజు ఒక ఇంపార్టెంట్ స్టాక్స్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేస్తాను. దిస్ ఈజ్ మై టెలిగ్రామ్ ఛానల్ కోరా ట్రేడ్. ఎస్టర్డే ఐ గివెన్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద గుడ్ స్టాక్ ఇన్ డిజిటల్ e-sign services, e-mudra stock. This e-mudra stock is given yesterday at price of 617 rupees, buying recommendation for short term view. Okay, let us check in trading view e-mudra price action today. So surprisingly today high volume traded, 12% it is appreciated. Maximum ఇది 18% వరకు రైజ్ అయ్యి ప్లస్ 12%లో క్లోజ్ అయింది. సో విత్ ఇన్ వన్ డే ఇట్ ఈస్ గివెన్ 12 to 13% రిటర్న్స్. దిస్ ఈజ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫ్రమ్ మై టెలిగ్రామ్ ఛానల్ recommendations, e-mudra stock. This is a very successful recommendation in one day, and morning I updated target hit in one day was 16% zoom. So I given target 700 and it is triggered 700, maximum 729 it is reached. Okay, then after that Triveni turbines I given buying recommendation in telegram channels. So after falling one day, Triveni turbines, then it is uptrend moving is resumed. Like at one point of time up to 517 it is reached, then it is facing resistance here. It is facing resistance here at 520s level. Okay, after maybe after crossover this 520s level it may reach further heights. So this is one more good stock in my telegram channel at I recommended 488 rupees. It will give definitely a good returns in short term view. Okay, this is one of the good uptrend stock. Okay, next Phoenix Mills 2633 లో ఇచ్చాను. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ రియల్ ఎస్టేట్ స్టాక్, ఫీనిక్స్ మిల్స్. సో స్టిల్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ మూవింగ్ అప్ ట్రెండ్. ఓకే, బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎట్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ లెవెల్. డెఫినెట్లీ ఇట్ కెన్ రెజ్యూమ్ విత్ ఇన్ వెరీ షార్ట్ టైమ్ because realty index also is taking support to increase further heights. So definitely it will move from this level only because now it is a support level, Phoenix Mills. Within very short time it can rise. Definitely at this price 2558 or 2500 level, definitely this stock should accumulate in your portfolio, Phoenix Mills real estate stock. Okay, so next thing is today I want to show you one thing, one good stock in mid cap stock, that is Sham Metallics. You see, in recent days trading sessions it is corrected almost 30% from height 740s level. It is corrected from 740 to 510 levels. So then after taking support at 510 level, now it is slowly with good volumes it is rising back. It is that selling pressure is over. Then it is moving upward towards to the previous 740s level. So I strongly recommend now this Sham Metallic has to go further heights. So this is one more stock I am recommending today. I am suggesting today this Sham Metallics. Actually, Sham Metallics is a market capital 16,442 crores, and it is a very good stock in metallics. So even metal index also it is resumed after huge correction. I will show later this metal index. Okay, in mid capital stock, Sham Metallics is one of the good one for short term results, 10 to 20 percentage. Then I'll go for another Jyoti CNC automation. I really surprised after IPO release recently. IPO listed on 16th Jan. So it is getting very good response in price action. It is very good response because lot of stocks recently after IPO listed, it is corrected below the IPO price, but it is withstanding and it is triangle consolidation at above IPO price. So definitely we should honor this stock above IPO price. Okay, but now it is a triangle consolidation. You see here, support it is taking trend line, and it is the resistance here, resistance at 660 level, Jyoti CNC. Okay, if it is crossed this triangle consolidation, definitely it may go further height, 700 to 800 level, Jyoti CNC. This is also one of the good stock for your for short term gains. Okay, then today I observed some more sectors, Nifty PSC sector, Nifty public sector enterprises. You see here I drawn one buying zone line. I will put it in green color. This is the buying zone because previously also, now what is the PSC index? 8934. Okay, so after reaching this buying zone, it is rising, then again it come back to that buying zone, and now it is rising. So definitely it may go further heights up to 9700 level. So what are the stocks under this public sector enterprises? Power Grid, NTPC, ONGC, Coal India, these are all the BPCL, these are all the public sector enterprises. So I prefer always government supported stocks like PSC index, definitely. But nobody observing while those stocks are falling, nobody is accumulating. So I sincerely requesting all traders or investors, please accumulate in when they are falling, good stocks like public sector stocks, real estate stocks, and metal stocks. So this is the very good buying zone. It is taking support this entire sector, public sector enterprises. Then I open Nifty Realty, real estate, entire real estate sector. You see here also I drawn a buying zone. I will put it in green. Okay, see this is the second time it is taking support here, buying zone. Now what is the index? 859 is the Realty index. So what is the previous high? 936. So it come back to the this 820 level, then it is rising, then it is come back to the same level, then it is rising. So mostly up to what price it is going, like I can draw a trend line. This is a, so up to 950 level it may go Realty index. In Realty index, what are the stocks available? Soba Developers, DLF, Phoenix Mills, Prestige Estates, Oberoi Realty. These are all the realty sectors, realty stocks. Okay, Realty index also, that selling pressure is over. This is 5 days consolidation, then that consolidation level also it is increased. I strongly recommending now, just add in your portfolio real estate stocks. What are the stocks available here in Realty index? Just wait. Realty index, just you see, Soba developers 12%, Swan Energy 5%, Godrej Properties, DLF, Brigade, Oberoi Realty, Lodha Developers. These are all the stocks in which is supporting to Realty Index. So definitely Mahindra Lifespace. Recently, I recommending Mahindra Lifespace like in Telegram channel, and there is a Life Mahindra Lifespace. This is cup and handle shape. Then slight correction is the it is taking support here. You see, I draw a 10 trend line like this, like this. So after taking support here, 510, 513 level, it is moving upward like 640 level, Mahindra Lifespace. So I strongly recommending this Mahindra Lifespace in Realty Index. Okay, and it is taking good volumes. Definitely, uh, if volumes are generating like this in Mahindra Lifespace, definitely it can resume to the uptrend. It can resume to the uptrend. So my favorite stock is Mahindra Lifespace within very short term. Okay, in Realty Index. Then I'll open Nifty Metal Index, Nifty Metal sector. You see, I drawn a trend line, resistance line. This is the support line. One, two, three, four. Four times it is taking support this trend line and moving to the highest heights to like 8,540 level. It may go Nifty Metal Index. What are the stocks available in Metal Index? I will tell. So, Hindustan Copper, National Aluminum, Jindal Steel, SAIL, Wellcorp, Tata Steel, these are all the metal stocks which is supporting to that sector, entire metal index, and JSW Steel, Hindalco, these are all the sectors. So, definitely it can move. Now, what is the metal index? 8052, 8052, and then one more 500 points it may go like this. So today I covered Telegram stocks like eMudra is given good returns in one day. Then I Triveni turbines and Jyoti CNC and Sham Metallics. Sham Metallics also is one of the good stock for getting good returns in short term. Then I covered sectors like public sector enterprises, realty sector, and metal sector. These are all the good uptrend sectors after correction these previous days. Okay, so this is the small review about my Telegram recommendations and upcoming buying opportunities in those stocks. So if you like my analysis, please subscribe my channel Cora Trade. Thank you.